Watch how we craft a beautiful dual wood front door handle, blending skill and design into one piece. Sizing and cutting the wood to the correct dimensions. Gluing and nailing jackwood and teakwood pieces together. Allowing the glue to dry for 12 to 16 hours. Smoothing the rough surface with 40 grit sandpaper using a grinder. Next, smooth the rough surface with 80 grit sandpaper. Next, smooth the surface with 120 grit sandpaper. Hand sanding with 120 grit sandpaper to remove grinder marks. Further hand sanding with 180 grit sandpaper. Marking and drilling holes for the bracket using a drill press machine. Attaching the bracket with glue and screws. Making sure the bracket is level. Removing excess glue and hand sanding the handle again. Spraying the first coat of clear sealer with an airbrush. Hand sanding with worn 320 grit sandpaper. Apply second clear sealer coats. Hand sanding with worn 320 grit sandpaper. Then applying the first top coat for weather protection. Hand sanding with worn 320 grit sandpaper. Apply and finish final top coats. Installing the double-sided door, pull easily on both sides. See the double-sided handle setup with a smooth finish and rich colors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. See you next time.